ever heard of the Atlanta Garage Party?
Atlanta.
Atlanta Garage Party. The third.
Good afternoon. I'm at a specialist's engine builders who do LS engine swaps for classic cars. So this is his shop, and all these cars are having a modern LS engine installed.
This is we're having one in October for my friend's raise.
Mm-hmm.
And you can bring in Brian if she wants. My wife don't want to come either if she wants.
Did it come with an ECU then?
What now?
Does the engine come with electronic control unit? So obviously when you put the engine in a car like this, it needs an ECU.
Right in here. That's what we got.
Does that come with the engine, or do you have
No.
do you have your own ECU supplier?
Everything we do is turnkey here. I mean, we give the guy.
Okay.
Kind of finesse.
all right.
But that's the idea of what we're doing.
Okay. Wow.
Yeah, it's all been run through the car. We're
Yeah.
we're going to have a console made for it. So the console that came in, it's pretty well ragged out.
Mm-hmm.
We're putting a new steering column in it. It's going to have all new gauges. But
Okay, that'd look great,
I'll
wouldn't
show
it?
you what the gauges look like.
Yeah.
But they'll be pretty. They're going to be. We couldn't get them. The way this is made, we couldn't get them analog. We had to get them digital.
Okay.
I'm trying to we got to put through.
Digital. So what's the base car, Mike?
This.
Oh, it's a Starfire. So it's a Starfire. And a new column, new wheels and discs on it, of
Yeah, we
course.
got all these Fords. It's 9-inch Ford.
9-inch Ford rear.
It's a lot. It's a good. We go ask him what he gets.
What's his name, Mike?
John Tucker.
John Tucker, and the company name is Southern Performance Guys. So it's John Tucker Southern Performance. So he's just gone off to find these digital gauges that. And here's another car that's ready to have an LS installation. Same format, completely gutted. Camaro.
It's the old version of an Oldsmobile.
Okay, got you. Bit of a tip like these shops usually are, of course, but well, let's hope they find the gauge pack that they bought, but okay. Looks like we found them. Oh yeah, look at this. Look at this digital gauge pack. Oh, that's going to be smart.
It'll be really nice once we get everything done.
So you're going to have to create a dashboard to fit
Well, it's going to
this.
fit right in the dash.
Oh right, that'll look fantastic.
And we try to keep it as stock as possible.
Yeah, that'll look so
It'll
cool.
be nice. It'll be different.
That's what's so remarkable about the Corvette we did is that it really looks like a '66 Corvette.
So,
And what,
So,
550 horsepower?
typically, John, a conversion of this magnitude, how much would it cost the owner? $40,000, something like that?
Depending on what he wants to do.
Okay.
30,000, 35 is an average price. Most of the cars going out here they're in the 55 to 70 range.
Okay.
But they're doing a lot. I mean,
Yeah.
this car, you don't see it, but it's got all LED lights in it.
Oh,
It's got
right.
a whole new wire. This car's completely rewired.
So it's
This is gonna be
effectively,
more than this one.
it's a complete rebuild.
Yeah, it's a
You know,
complete
absolute. It's really only the body of the car that stays the
It's
same.
stock, yeah.
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 And the rest of it is completely
Well,
refurbished.
it's got full over in all four corners.
Very impressive.
Well, I'll show you.
Thank you.
Let me get this phone real quick here.
Okay.
I'm trying to figure this out.
Another guy, older guy, running a business. Engines all over the place.
Well, I'm sending you a credit card for him. I told him I'm gonna pay you.
Up on the racks there, look, V8s all over. V8 that they've taken out. Willwood brakes, look on that one. There's the seats, look, for this car up there. Centre console on top there, look. Oh, we'll go back again in this rebuild.
We go. So we're paying shipping too. Well, find out with him. I mean, he said he said nothing to me.
Welding gear and then
What's on for? I pay you. I don't pay you. Of course, cost you money.
so.
We get motors too over there.
Yeah, look at these. This is the end. This must be the engine rebuilding area.
This is one.
Do you buy these off Chevy direct?
Yeah, all the shit, everything's shit.
Yeah.
This is the LSX 427 supercharged. It will be making probably pushing around 800 to 850 horsepower.
Wow,
Street
850
driven, yeah.
horsepower.
Street driven. Got a nice
So,
pulley system on the
so
front.
there's a pulley system on the
Yeah.
front that feeds the supercharger, which is I think it's a screw-based supercharger with.
We do a lot of builds like this.
Yeah, it's very nice. So that's 800 brake horsepower. Amazing.
That's kind of what we do. We got a lot of engines over there. We get
Yeah.
in and, stuff we're shipping out.
You have to send them somewhere to be machined
We
for
got a
the.
guy right down the road. I use him. He got a machine shop. He does the
All right,
machine
he
work.
owns the bores and everything. Yeah,
He does everything. But we do a lot of other stuff. Part of it, that's all we do.
Very, very impressive, John. Thank you. Well, the guys in the UK will be liking to see this engine.
Yeah, well, this is overkill. I mean, this is intimidating right here.
It is,
So
yeah.
good of the car, like, whoa. I mean, we've built these motors and we've got upwards of 1,200 horsepower if you know what you're doing and can build them out. But we build them over here for street for pump gas. If you go anything above about 750, you got to have raised.
Okay.
Or you go. I'll show you what's going to happen.
Okay.
We built this for a guy and he didn't move.
So this is the difference in gas usage, of course, when you use
What
pump
happens
gas.
when you-
That's
That's because I'm not using. It's too much compression.
right.
He tried to do too much with it. He was running. He didn't do what I told him to do, and he detonated the car.
Is that too low octane then?
Low
Fuel.
octane.
Too low the octane fuel.
Car detonated.
So that's some of the damage.
Here's the rest of the damage.
So you should have used race fuel or high
Yeah,
octane
yeah.
fuel, yeah?
Here's what a spark plug kind of supposed to look like right there. That's what his looked like when we got him back. There's no, he knocked us.
Okay, he's blown the end off
He
it.
detonated it to death and then broke a valve.
So there we go. There's a
I
bit
try
of
to tell people there's a reason why I tell you to do these things.
that's a bit of catastrophic failure there then.
But anyway,
Wow, that's interesting.
yeah, that's
Thank you.
interesting.
Yeah, absolutely.
But anyway, we do a lot of doing motors.
Is the Magnuson bet preferred to Whipple then?
Whipple and Magnuson, we sell Whipples too.
Okay.
Whipples, yeah, we just whatever we can get right now.
Okay.
because we're having a real hard time getting anything.
Okay.
Whipple's a good supercharger. We've used Whipple's, and this is the new Magnuson that we just got in.
Right.
I say we got in. We got one over there too. We've had for a while. But you got Whipple,
Okay.
you got Edelbrock's coming on strong, and stuff like that.
There we go, guys. Well, so if you want an LS conversion, get hold of John. I'm sure he's sent engines over to the UK before now, so this is your best place by a long shot.